Can you use a regular mattress on a hospital bed? If you're considering using a regular mattress on a hospital bed, you're probably wondering if it's the right choice. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. First, hospital beds and regular beds are designed with different purposes in mind. Hospital beds are made to adjust and flex in various ways to meet medical needs, such as improving circulation, reducing swelling, and enhancing patient comfort. These beds often have adjustable height, head, and foot sections, which regular mattresses are not designed to accommodate. The size of the mattress is another critical factor. Hospital beds typically come in specific dimensions, such as 36 inches wide by 80 inches long, which are different from standard home bed sizes like twin, full, or queen. Using a regular mattress that is too large or too small can lead to discomfort and safety issues, like large gaps between the mattress and the side rails or assist bars, which can be particularly dangerous for older adults or patients with mobility issues. Hospital bed mattresses are specialized to meet medical needs. They often feature advanced materials and designs that prevent pressure ulcers, provide pressure relief, and offer support for patients confined to the bed for extended periods. These mattresses are made from high-density foam or memory foam that evenly distributes weight and reduces pressure points, which is crucial for preventing bed sores and other skin issues. In contrast, regular mattresses lack these essential medical features. They may not provide the necessary support or pressure-relieving properties that patients need, which can result in discomfort and increased medical complications. Additionally, regular mattresses may not be durable or easy to clean, which is important for maintaining hygiene and infection control standards in healthcare settings. While it is technically possible to use a regular mattress on a hospital bed, it is not the best option. Regular mattresses may not fit properly, may not utilize the adjustable features of the hospital bed, and could compromise patient care by restricting mobility and adjustment features essential for recovery. If you need a mattress for a hospital bed, it's best to use a hospital bed mattress. These mattresses come in specific sizes to match the bed frame and offer the necessary features for medical purposes. Alternative options like foam mattresses, air mattresses, or alternating pressure toppers are also available and can address specific medical needs and enhance patient comfort.